John Edsel D. Lumen. Ito naman po yung aking cover page. Andito po yung logo at yung event management NC3 Batch 17. Andito din po yung pangalan po ng school na pinapasukan ko, ang Macquarie Technical Institute Incorporation. At ito naman po yung logo at tagline ko, illuminating events and celebration with precision and elegance. Andito din po yung location, Gmail, contact number, FB page, and ID. Ito naman po yung company profile ko po. Celebroscope is a premier events management and production company founded by John Edsel D. Lumen. This logo for Celebroscope events is a well-crafted, professional design that communicates elegance, creativity, and celebration. Telescope signifies exploration, discovery, and vision. It reflects the company mission to look beyond the ordinary and craft unique star-studded events. The telescope is aimed upward toward the star, symbolizing ambition, high standard, and reaching for excellence. The starry night sky represents inspiration, fame, and brilliance, perfectly aligning with an event company focused on creating memorable, shining moments. The golden swirl adds a sense of motion. The swirl enhances the aesthetic while assembling celebratory elements like ribbon or waves of energy. This could also represent the flow of creativity and the dynamic nature of event planning. Color gold signifies luxury, elegance, and high quality, reflecting the premium service offered by Celebrescope events. Deep navy blue represents sophistication, professionalism, and a connection to the night sky theme. Subtle silver accent adds a modern and polished touch, balancing the vibrance of gold with refinement. Font size is the company name, is written in an elegant, clean, and bold font, ensuring readability and professionalism. Highlighted events, the golden gradient on events emphasizes the company focus, drawing attention to their especially in events management. Diamond accent below text in the shape. The small diamond symbolizes precision and attention to detail, key qualities of the company service. It will balances the overall design, creating a sense of symmetry and completion. Ito naman po yung mission and vision. Ang mission po is to create extraordinary star-studded event that inspire, celebrate, and connect people, delivering experiences that leave lasting impact and foster meaningful connection. Ang vision naman po is to be a globally recognized leader in event management, celebrated for our innovation, creativity, and ability to turn moment into timeless memories while setting new benchmark in the event industry. Ito naman po yung letter of intent. No, sinulatan ko po si Mr. Alexander Castro noong January 8, 2025. Ito naman po yung aking budgetary na kung saan kasama po ang venue, mga amount po, mga pagkain, at mga gagastusin po sa isang event. At ang contingency funds po is 10%, is nagkakalaga po 57,900 at professional fee is 10% din po is 57,900. So, ang total po ng budgetary po lahat ay 694,800. Ito naman po yung invitation and program po ng aking event na sinulat at ginawa kay Mr. Alexander Castro. Ito naman po yung event brief. Ang theme po ng event is Resilient and Bloom. Ang event po ay Recovery Milestone Party. Ang event name naman po is Celebrating Growth and New Beginnings. Ang venue po natin is Balay Oriental Mindoro. So, ang proposed budget po is 694,800. And expected guest po is 600 pax po. At event date and time March 7, 2025. And ang guest po natin ay family, friends, and relatives. Ito naman po yung objectives po. To celebrate and acknowledge the collective efforts, resilience, and achievements of individuals and the community in overcoming challenges, fostering hope, and inspiring continued collaboration towards sustained growth and recovery. Ito naman po yung aking timeline na kung saan is dito po yung pinagpaplanuhan kung kailan sinimulan at kailan po yung pinaka-date po ng events. At ito naman po yung event flow po ng isang event na gagawin po. Ito naman po yung aking floor plan is sa taas po yung dalawang fire exit para safe naman po. At sa baba din po yung meron din pong fire exit. At meron din po dyan fire extinguisher at table para sa registration and table din po para sa medical po natin at dalawa pong CR para hindi po magkasabay-sabay mga bisita or guests. Ito naman po yung aking MOA. Madami po kaming natutunan sa pagtuturo po ng Linky tulad po ng pagbabudget po ng pera at pag-manage po ng isang event at yung mga paggawa po ng MOA at mga contract at mga event flow at lalo na po yung sa floor plan kung para maging safe ang mga guests po natin dahil lagyan po natin madaming fire exit at mga medical po. At maraming salamat din po kala Ma'am Judesa at Ma'am Joanna at lalo na po kay Vice Mayor Bim Ignacio na nagbigay po ng libreng tech po sa amin para makakuha po ng NC3. Salamat po.